Hi, my name is Mehdi Chala. I'm gonna show you how to put the anchor points in the middle of a layer just with two lines of expression. Without further ado, let's jump into that. I'm gonna bring a text layer and just do some random letters. Okay, as you see, the anchor point is in top left. We're gonna put it in the middle. I'll bring up the anchor points property and then Alt click to enable the expression. We're gonna use a function called sourceRectAtTime. So let's bring that up. To make it easier, let's do that as a variable, like we call it C. So we need to define X and Y coordinate for the anchor points with the line of codes. Since there are two items in a bracket, put it in a square bracket to define it. Other than that, we get error and After Effects doesn't recognize is it gonna be for X or Y. So we write the codes like this: c.left+c.width divided by 2. We already defined the X coordinate, and we're gonna do the same things for the Y coordinate. For the Y, it's gonna be c.top+c.height divided by 2. We'll see that the anchor point is in the middle. It's gonna be updated every time we change the text or we wanna add more text like this. Let me show you. More dummy text here. And if we just click on that, it's still in the center of the layer. And it wouldn't be just for the text, it works for all layers in After Effects, and it would be updated based on the changes we do on the layers. I think that's it for today's tutorial. If you guys like it, please hit the thumbs up button. Leave me any comments and make sure to subscribe to my channels for the future videos. Thank you.